Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to Ribs Day at G-Bear's Off-Grid Waste. Yeah, this is what they look like when they turn out. When they shrink back from the bone like that, they're done just right. So I've already got the sauce on this side, and it's already been caramelized over the heat, and I'm doing the other side right now. It's only going to take a few minutes or so, so this is going to be a real short video. And then I'm going to take those off, put them on that tray, and take them inside. And I don't know if I'll be able to wait any time. I might have to just dig in right away. So yeah, those look really good. See how they just fall right off the bone? Look at that. Whew. A little on the hot side. So that's it, everybody. Thanks for joining me. This is G-Bear signing off.